This is going to be an unboxing of 3 different small businesses that I love. This one is from a YouTube channel. Her name is In Calico, but the name of her website is calicoandtwine.com. The links will all be listed below. She has beautiful videos here, so please, if you haven't heard of her, check her out. She hand makes these scrunchies out of really cute fabric, and also aprons and hair ribbons and all kinds of things like that, little head kerchiefs. I do believe she makes soap. Her mother makes soap as well. There's lots of nice things on her website, but I thought these scrunchies were so cute. And next was this pair of mugs that were secondhand, but they looked brand new to me, and they have now become my favorite coffee and tea mugs. They're just so pretty. And I just loved how she wrapped everything as well, just like everything I believe in too, of lots of recycled, compostable paper and twine, and all of the little cards that she put inside were so cute as well. The mugs arrived very safely and not broken or chipped or cracked. And you can see one of them here. They're so nice. I love them. They keep your drink hot for a long time because of the thick walls. So I know that sometimes she buys these things secondhand, and she also sells those on her website, and that's how I got these mugs. As soon as I saw them, I had to have them. And then this is me showing the little cards that she put inside. So neat. All on recycled paper too. I love this one because I love Proverbs. So thank you so much to her. I just love these mugs and the scrunchies. Next is another YouTube channel. She is called The Soap Artist, and her website is jennifersoap.com. And as well as making her own soaps, she 3D prints these, what's called an extruder disc, for people who are soap makers. And this I'm showing first. She gave me a free gift, and it's this little pine cone one. And I was so excited and so grateful for her to this, because now I actually planned a soap to make this fall around this lovely gift she gave me. And so the first one here that I bought was the mushroom. I'll be making a soap at the end of summer for this. I'm very excited to try them. There's like 2 pieces, the little cap and the stem. So you extrude them both and then you stick them together. And the second one I bought, I was so excited for this one because I had made my apothecary soap last fall, and I'm going to make it again as well, and now it's going to be even cooler of a design just because of this. So I can't wait to use these. I'll of course remind you in those videos coming up when I make those. So this is me showing my little standard extruder. I do believe it's an 18 millimeter, and I'm showing that they fit in there absolutely perfectly. She does really good work when it comes to these extruder discs, and check out her soap making videos because she uses her discs all the time. She changes them up for the holidays, so there's always new ones to buy. And then this is me just showing you that they are environmentally friendly. They are not made of plastic. They are made of renewable resources, which mattered to me so much too. So thank you, Jennifer. And the last one was an Etsy shop. I'll put the link down below. She was called the Flower Towel Gal. And I loved this so much. I thought it was just beautiful, of this embroidery of these herbs. And it's actually a kitchen towel made of a flour sack. But in a few weeks coming up, I'm going to show you a DIY craft that I plan to do with this towel. She has other really cute ones as well. So please check out these shops, support small business, and thank you for watching and supporting mine. Take care.